Hey kitchen enthusiasts, whether you're a seasoned chef or just love whipping up something special at home, having the right tools can make all the difference. In 2024, Amazon is packed with some incredible kitchen gadgets that are not only innovative but also make cooking more fun and efficient. Today, we're diving into the top 15 must-have kitchen gadgets of the year, guaranteed to elevate your cooking game. So let's jump in and discover the tools that will transform your kitchen into a culinary playground. The Omea 2-in-1 dish soap dispenser. This smart kitchen gadget combines a soap dispenser and sponge holder into one convenient unit, making washing dishes easier and more organized. The dispenser holds up to 8.5 L of dish soap and features a leak-free design to prevent spills. Its calibrated dispensing mechanism ensures minimal soap wastage by delivering a fixed amount per pump. Made from BPA-free plastic, it's both safe and economical. The compact design fits neatly on your countertop, and the top layer is removable for easy water drainage. Ideal for efficient and tidy dishwashing. The HomeCore 3-pack water bottle organizer is designed for efficient storage and organization. Each organizer features large compartments 4.2 inches in diameter to accommodate bottles up to 40 ounces and select 50 ounces mugs, including Yeti 30 ounces tumblers and Starbucks 25 ounces tumblers. With a stackable design, it optimizes vertical space and keeps cabinets, refrigerators, or counters neat. The set holds up to 9 bottles and is made from durable, clear, BPA-free plastic, which is easy to clean with mild soap and water. Quick to assemble with no tools required, it's ideal for organizing a variety of bottles, including water bottles, tumblers, and even champagne. The Javar onion holder is a versatile kitchen tool designed for precise and efficient slicing. Featuring 10 stainless steel forks under the handle, it provides a secure grip and prevents slippage while cutting onions, tomatoes, lemons, avocados, and meats. This ergonomic slicer ensures even cuts and enhances safety, making it ideal for various fruits and vegetables. The onion holder's durable construction and sharp design speed up slicing tasks. Easy to clean, it's dishwasher safe, adding convenience to your kitchen routine. The all-in clip-on strainer is a compact and practical kitchen tool designed to make straining easier and more efficient. Made from durable heat-resistant silicone, this strainer clips onto most pots, pans, and bowls, allowing you to strain food without transferring it to a separate colander. Its innovative design ensures you can tilt to strain while the food remains in the pot, saving time and reducing mess. Dishwasher safe and designed for temperatures between -40 to 240 degrees. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen. The Homeit Mop and Broom Holder is an efficient wall-mounted organizer designed for versatile use in various spaces like the garage, kitchen, closet, or laundry room. It features 5 slots and 6 hooks, accommodating up to 11 tools, with each slot supporting up to 7.5 lbs. Made from durable plastic, this organizer is weather-resistant and waterproof. The included mounting hardware makes installation straightforward. The slots have a non-slip, easy-release design, ensuring secure storage for wet or heavy tools and helping to free up floor space by organizing items like brooms, mops, and coats. The Homaxi 12-pack kitchen dishcloths are designed for versatile and effective cleaning. Each cloth measures 10x 10 inches and comes in a pack of 12. Made from ultra-soft coral velvet microfiber, these dish towels are highly absorbent, perfect for quickly cleaning spills and wiping oil stains. They are durable, with no lint, and easy to wash, making them suitable for a variety of tasks including drying dishes, cleaning countertops, and more. The cloths are machine washable and retain their effectiveness over time, ensuring a cost-effective and practical addition to any kitchen. The Zule Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest is designed to keep your kitchen counters and stovetop clean and organized. It features raised edges to catch drips and spills, preventing messes while cooking. With 4 slots, it provides ample space for various utensils, including spoons, spatulas, and tongs. Made from heat-resistant, BPA-free silicone, it can handle high temperatures and is easy to clean. Simply toss it in the dishwasher. The non-slip base ensures stability, and its durable construction guarantees long-lasting use. This practical and stylish spoon rest can also make a great housewarming gift. The Crevice Cleaning Brush is a versatile tool designed for cleaning narrow gaps and hard-to-reach areas. This multifunctional brush features a triangular head and durable bristles, making it ideal for use on windows, floors, kitchens, bathrooms, and vehicles. Made from high-quality plastic and stainless steel, it's built to be sturdy and long-lasting. The brush is easy to use and practical for maintaining cleanliness in various corners and crevices. It's a handy tool for thorough home cleaning. The Eucopia Store Lid is a flexible and practical solution for organizing food container lids. It features 5 adjustable dividers, allowing you to configure compartments to fit lids of various sizes, up to 9 inches wide. The organizer's center channel prevents round lids from rolling, and built-in handles make it easy to grab and slide. It requires no tools for setup, just add the dividers and load your lids. The Store Lid is made from BPA-free plastic and fits standard cabinets, pantry shelves, and deep drawers, measuring 10.4 inches deep, 13.2 inches wide, and 3.3 inches wide, and 3.3 inches tall. The Chef's Path Airtight Food Storage Container Set includes 24 BPA-free plastic canisters with durable lids. This set is designed for kitchen and pantry organization, and it comes with reusable chalkboard labels, a chalkboard marker, and a measuring spoon set. The containers vary in size: 6 extra large 2.8 liters, 6 large 2.0 liters, 6 medium 1.4 liters, and 6 small 0.8 liters. The airtight lids keep food fresh, making these containers suitable for storing flour, sugar, cereal, pasta, nuts, and more. They are stackable, easy to clean, and can be used in the fridge, freezer, cupboard, or closet. The Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder set by Sweet Alice is designed for one-handed operation and features an automatic gravity sensor switch. Simply flip the grinder to start grinding fresh spices. It offers adjustable coarseness from coarse to fine using a high-quality ceramic rotor. The grinder is battery-powered, requiring 6 AA batteries not included. Its transparent acrylic base allows visibility of the remaining spices, and the blue LED light helps illuminate the contents. This set is suitable for various salad seasonings and is ideal for kitchens, restaurants, parties, and picnics. It comes with a 100-day free replacement and money-back guarantee. The Tumig Oil Sprayer is a 200 milliliters glass olive oil spray bottle designed for precision and control. It delivers 1/4 teaspoon 1.5 g of oil per trigger pull, ideal for calorie counting. The frosted glass design reduces light exposure, helping to preserve oil freshness. Safe for direct contact with food, it's suitable for various oils like olive, sesame, and avocado. The sprayer is portable and perfect for cooking, baking, air frying, and BBQ. It's easy to use with a fine mist output and can be taken along for picnics and grilling. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber is a cordless, battery-powered scrub brush designed for versatile cleaning. It features a multi-purpose head that oscillates 60 times per second to tackle grime and restore surfaces quickly. This tool scrubs up to twice as fast as manual methods, reducing strain and saving time. It's water-resistant and suitable for various cleaning tasks around the home, including tiles, grout, sinks, and appliances. Additionally, it can be used for outdoor cleaning projects and maintaining footwear. The package includes the powered handle, a multi-purpose head, and 4 AA batteries. The Kalon's Kitchen Utensils set offers a comprehensive collection of 35 essential kitchen tools, including a soup ladle, solid spoon, slotted slotted turner, potato pusher, whisk, grater, spatula, tongs, ice cream scooper, measuring cups, measuring spoons, dough scrapers, and 12 hanging hooks, all presented in a gift box. Made from heat-resistant nylon and stainless steel, these utensils are designed to be non-stick, dishwasher safe, and durable, with a heat resistance up to 350 def 180 deg C. This set is perfect for a variety of cooking tasks and makes a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, weddings, and more. The Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance with a 6-egg capacity, perfect for cooking hard, medium, or soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, or omelets. It features an auto shut-off function for added safety and convenience. The cooker is lightweight and ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs with a sleek design available in multiple colors. It includes a poaching tray, omelet tray, egg holder tray, measuring cup, and a recipe book. The appliance's non-electric parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. And there you have it, the top 15 Amazon kitchen gadgets for 2024. Whether you're looking to simplify meal prep, experiment with new recipes, or just add a touch of convenience to your kitchen, these gadgets have got you covered. If any of these caught your eye, be sure to check the links in the description to grab yours. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more kitchen hacks and product reviews, and let us know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.